Ito siya, all zipped up and ready to go. So, it has yan, talagang backpack siya. Tapos may handle din dito. Liit lang, galing. Panalo to. Love it. This is so awesome. It's called Ferndine. Got this on Lazada. I will attach links on the YouTube video. But this is so perfect. Two small drones in one. Perfect for bringing to the beach or any travel, easy, light travel. Awesome. Galing. Guys, galing ng backpack na to. Maliit lang siya pero fits everything. Ganda na material. $500 lang siya on Lazada. I'll send you guys the link. You know what to? It has compartments for accessories. Cable, antenna booster, props, extra props. Kasi ito na yung sa compartments for the drones. So, kasya dalawang drone. Spark, controller, and then the mini, another controller, tapos batteries. Has space for a lot of batteries. So, I have 2 right now here. Third nandito. So, 3 batteries for the mini, for the spark, dalawa, but I can add 2 more. Ang galing nito. Tapos may compartments pa sa labas. Ang galing ng backpack talaga siya. Ganda. Wow, sulit to. Good job to a Lazada seller. Love it.